Getting to know your Frigidaire dehumidifier display and settings is easy. The settings and features on your model may vary. When first turning on your dehumidifier, it will be set to the factory setting of continuous or auto mode and high fan speed. The display will show CO and not the room humidity. It is recommended to leave the unit running in the continuous setting for the first 3 or 4 days, or until the humidity level appears in the display, depending on model. Once the humidity level appears on your appliance's display, select your humidity setting by pressing the up or down indicator on your display. Choose a value between 35% and 85%. The humidity selection is in 5% increments. After you have set the desired humidity setting, the display will show the actual room humidity. If you want to return to the continuous mode, press the down indicator through the 5% decrements until CO appears in the display. Most models have 3 fan speeds to choose from: low, medium, and high. Press fan speed until the light illuminates on your selection. You may be able to set a timer on your dehumidifier depending on the model. The timer function enables you to either delay start or delay stop your dehumidifier from 30 minutes to 24 hours. To set the timer for delay start, the unit must be turned off. To set the timer for delay stop, the unit must be turned on. Next, press the timer button and adjust the timer setting by pressing the up or down indicators until your desired time is selected. The display will count down the time remaining until the unit either starts or stops. Once the time is completed, to use the timer function again, you will need to reset your selections. Note, when using delay start, the fan speed and humidity defaults to the previous setting. Your dehumidifier may have a lock feature. To set, press the up and down indicators at the same time for 3 seconds. The lock indicator illuminates, and LC will show in the display for a few seconds before returning to show the humidity. To disable the lock feature, simply repeat these steps until the lock indicator is no longer illuminated. Your dehumidifier notifies you when it's time to empty the bucket. Bucket full illuminates, and your dehumidifier will stop operating. Carefully remove the bucket. Note, it may be heavy. Discard the water and then replace the bucket. Once securely in place, the dehumidifier will start running again. When it's time to clean your filter, Clean Filter illuminates, usually after 250 hours of operation. Remove the filter and vacuum it, or wash with warm water. Allow it to completely air dry before replacing. You can reset the Clean Filter indicator by pressing the Filter Reset button. The indicator should no longer be illuminated. Some units are also compatible with advanced filters, which should be replaced every 6 months. Please reference your use and care manual for more filter instructions. Finally, familiarize yourself with the common sounds coming from your dehumidifier during operation. Sound of rushing air, that's air being moved by the fan. Gurgle or hissing, the refrigerant is passing through the evaporator. High-pitched chatter, today's high-efficiency compressors may make a chatter sound during the dehumidification cycle. Dripping sound, that's the water dripping into the bucket during the dehumidification cycle. We're here to help. For more information and tips, reference your use and care manual or visit us online at the Frigidaire website.